Hey guys, I'm Flo. In this video, we'll make Nigerian peppered fish, just like you see them in Nigerian restaurants, weddings, and other owambes. You already know that they're great for parties. Peppered fish is a quick something you can serve your guests when they pay you a visit at home. It also makes a great side dish to jollof rice, moi moi, abacha, and many more. Let's go. Here are the ingredients you will need. The full list will be in the description box below the video. Tell your fishmonger to open the gill area and remove the insides from there. They should not cut along the side of the fish. If they do that, the fish may scatter or just look ugly when you're frying it. If you'll be cleaning the fish yourself, do the same. Try as much as possible to clean the fish from the gill area. This is a moderate size fish, so I'll cut it into 3 pieces. I'll follow this cut that was made by the fishmonger. They cut it there so they can pull out the intestine from the gill. If the fish you are using has scales, they should scrape it off as well. I'm using gilt head sea bream fish. I wouldn't use mackerel for peppered fish, no. Grind the seasonings: onion powder, thyme, salt. Go easy on the salt because seasoning cubes contain salt. Oregano, black pepper, cumin, seasoning cube, and grind into powder. Add to the fish. Squeeze in the orange. I just love the flavor that orange adds to fish, especially fried or grilled fish. Try it. If you don't want orange, you can add a bit of water. Cover and put in the fridge to marinate for at least 1 hour. Meanwhile, chop the peppers and half of the onions. I removed the seeds from the peppers. Then give it a rough blend. If you do not have a hand blender, you can use normal blender, but don't grind it too much. Just use the pulse button a few times. I did not add water, but with a normal blender, you may need to add water depending on how your blender works. Add as little water as possible. Cover and start cooking on medium heat. After 1 hour of the fish being in the fridge, bring it out. Take out the fish. Pour the stock into the peppers so we don't lose any flavor. And continue cooking. The aim is to boil till all the water dries up. When there's not much water in there, add vegetable oil. Fry for about 3 minutes, stirring it all the time. This is very important because it can burn very easily at this time. Add some salt. Then set aside. Deep fry the fish. Do not overcrowd so they get a good fry. I'm frying the fish direct without boiling because I will serve this with abacha. The same goes for if you're serving the peppered fish on its own to your guests. To serve it with something like jollof rice, you need to boil the fish a bit with a small quantity of water to get some fish stock or broth. Use that to cook the jollof rice, then fry the fish. You need to be careful when boiling the fish so they do not disintegrate. Turn it around often and fry till brown all over and well cooked inside. Repeat the process for the rest of the fish. When frying the head, make sure that it is well fried by turning it like this. Next, add the fried fish to the pepper and stir gently till every part of the fish is coated with the pepper. You can stir in batches to give you more room. You can serve peppered fish on its own with a chilled drink or as a side dish. Here I served it with abacha. Yum, yum, yum.